Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to open one-handed mode setting in Vivo phone. As you can see this one-handed mode setting in Vivo phone. So you want to off, so guys you can off. In this video guys, I will show you how to off it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching a video first time. So first of all, go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Guys click on shortcut and accessibility. And guys you can see one-handed mode, and guys you can off from here, but guys when you will off from here then it will not work. So I will off here and guys cut. So guys one-handed mode will off in Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to one-handed mode in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.